Hey guys, this is a video tutorial on how to use my renovation checklist. This is a super helpful checklist if you are renovating your house, if you're an interior designer, if you are a construction worker and you need to check off and make sure all of the things that need to be done in the home when you're renovating it, if you're making a new build, anything like that, this is super helpful. So let's get started. So we've got a place for the date. You can just double click in here and choose the date. The project, say we're gonna renovate the bathroom. Goal date of completion, double click in here and choose a date. And then each section we've got categories: exterior, overall, kitchen. There's a place for 3 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, entryway, laundry room, and living room. There's a place for notes and a shopping list. So if you start here on, let's start with overall. So if you wanted to change this to something different, if you wanted to change this to interior, you could. And then this is totally customizable. So if you wanted to do, demo, do something different, you can type in there. As you have everything done, you just check it off. And same thing for bedroom, entryway, laundry room, and living room. There's place for electrical, plumbing, hot water heater, sink, paint, built-in features, cabinets, shelving, flooring, rugs, appliances, and more. And then especially for your notes, if you wanted to type in there, you can put your notes here. And then shopping list, as you have it done, you just check it off. And then if you needed to write something, you could. So that is it for the home renovation checklist. I hope this helps you. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in description below to purchase this spreadsheet, either on Etsy or my website, savvyandthriving.com. And I hope y'all have a good day.